guys, so now we are at Premier Food Republic. Our normal place to take our dinner there.
Yeah,
See what Basan order now.
The one, no? The one.
Cheese chicken rice. So daddy want just now.
Jadi mana kacau.
Kacang goreng from the same stall. Oh, stir fried stall there behind there guys. There. So mine also just now. Crispy tomato meat there. Okay guys, so after eating dyan now, want to buy Bryson tidbit. What you buy dyan now?
The one that is a food.
Then,
The one is chocolate.
Bryson chocolate. And then,
This one,
Chocolate.
Apollo so chocolate. This one,
Teddy bear.
biscuit. That one, mihuna. Okay guys.
Arrange it.
Okay, come. Okay guys, now we want to go and pay.
I know you take iPad, mommy.
Buy some friend there. Come, we want to go and pay. There.
I got the iPad there. There's the stickers there.
Okay.
Then now my iPad make this. What's so hot is it?
Punya extra pakai. Jangan tak.
Laksa for breakfast, guys. Bryson eat sandwich. There. This one is the next day already lah. The next morning. Okay guys, lanjut makan. There. Lanjut makan. There.